Hello, and welcome to our Illinois website, where we service every city in the state, including Belvidere. Belvidere is known for the Summerfield Zoo and several huge industrial employers like the Chrysler plant, amongst many other things. It's a great city. And with a population of over 25,000 people, it's the 86th largest city in the state of Illinois. With a huge farming industry and many industrial employers, there are many accidents that happen here in Belvidere. If you've been injured in this city or in any other city in the state, call the number listed below. We're GWC, Illinois' largest personal injury and workers' compensation law firm. Our 37 lawyers and almost 60-person support staff are ready to work hard to help you get the money that you deserve. We handle a wide variety of cases at GWC, including all types of vehicle accidents, construction job cases, workers' compensation claims, nursing home abuse, Social Security disability, civil rights, and hourly wage claims, just to name a few. So call us right now. The consultation is absolutely free. We're happy to set up a meeting to speak with you in person in the office. Or if you prefer, we'll send one of our investigators to meet with you at your home right now. Thanks so much for your interest in GWC. We look forward to working hard to getting you and your family the justice and money that you deserve.